Hello, this is Tachibana Software Company coming at you with another unboxing video. Today we got our hands on the Apple Pencil. This is the new one. Let's go ahead and get started. Got the shrink wrap off. So you can tell from the back of the box you can charge it with an iPad. Let's go ahead and get this opened. Here it is. There's a nice little tab right here. Just pulls on out. And as that normally says, designed by Apple in California. Let's see, so that would be the instructions. And this looks like the charger and the pencil tip. I've got some pretty basic instructions. Regulatory information, more regulatory information, and then, last but not least, the Apple Pencil. It seems it comes with a tip already, so this other tip looks to be a bit finer. Alright, that's the end of our video. Thank you.